I'll show here. If you can see here, there is a ink, the flow here. Additional ink flow consistently in all the places. Okay, so this indicates there is certain infection in the body whenever this comes. So no one can make this or no one can avoid it. If in your body, if there is any infection, it will come that way. Consistency, it's not one place, everywhere it is there. So that means your immunity is fighting against that infection. When your immunity is fighting that infection, this this dot kind of thing comes. If this dot goes after 2-3 days, if this dot goes, that means your immunity has won against that infection. So there won't be any infection. But if this dot continues, that means your immunity is weakening. So that infection may come up in any form. So normally when this comes, I ask people, there is some infection in your body. They deny. But after 2-3 days, they say, yeah, I have sore throat. Someone had herpes also. So the graphology, that's the beauty of it. It shows the health issues even before it surfaces on body, even before the person gets that symptom or the pain. It comes like this. This is one hint. Like that, many things we can understand from graphology. So complete that formation, then dot.
This plus this one, clear. This is good for diabetes. I mean, if this is wide and this is a loop and all, it's not good. It should be properly written and proper O. This practice will help in reducing the diabetes. And kidney problem people, they struggle with letter R. When they wrote properly this, their creatinine level came down and dialysis stopped. Sometimes left may become straight and the round to the right. This also okay, because you may not be willing to teach your own people, your family, friends, neighbors, because they are not listening to you, they are not willing to accept that. Normally people write this way. If it is angular, this becomes this way, or x, the separate route they take. This is separate route, separate ways. This is deliberateness. This type of formation, deliberateness, that makes them slow. And here angular arcade connection. This connection is angular arcade connection, that is emotional turmoil. And this here, it is sharp tooth connection. So sharp tooth means it is insincerity also. To avoid all those loop, this is maniac state in any letter. And sharpness also normally we avoid, because a pinpoint pain may be there, shooting pain in the head, or the hair problem, dandruff problem may come. Any upper zone, if it is closed here, so middle zone is closed, they learn only from book and computers, not from practical knowledge, not observing surrounding and learning. Letter L is for learning anything, any new things. They are open to learn new things. Letter H is for our systematic study. Don't take any of the support system here. You need someone. Even to go to the toilet, you need someone, keep my bag or hold my bag, something like that. Go straight to the point, you yourself, and reach this way. Sometimes any of the base will not touch the baseline, something like this. That means they are not able to accept the reality in that area. Here it is themselves, here it is about the family. If it is here, it is outside world. And we are not giving anything up to here retracing, that is repression. So that's also not allowed.